What's good, boos? It's Sheen Boo, and you already know. You know who it is. It's Sheen Boo. Today, we are back with another foundation review. Well, technically, this is a tinted moisturizer. This is the Fenty Hydra Vizor Hues in the shade 7. In the shade 7. If you're in the 400 range for the Fenty foundation like me, I'm shade 420 in like all of their skin products. Then they recommend 7 or 8 if I didn't say already. They tried 7 and 8 on me in the store and the lighting wasn't good. So I'm gonna retry it on right now.
Do you like it? Do you like the when you get the moisturizer?
Yeah, I got the tinted SPF, and I'm thinking you're gonna need number 7 because I'm using 8. In the store, both of them disappeared. It looked into my skin really good. It's like nice and full coverage, but I believe 7 had a little more of a grayish undertone, which is why I think 8 might be a little better.
We was raised a little different. Used to be ashamed who I was, now I'm paid by the sentence. Taking my time with it.
It disappeared into my skin. Like where's the foundation? Where's the tinted moisturizer? You tell me. I don't even see a line of demarcation between my neck and my face. All right, let's go ahead and blend down number 8. All right, so number 8 is completely disappeared, and I feel like you can't see it. Number 7 may not be my shade, because you see now that I layered it up, it's kind of giving like that white cast. So what I'm gonna do now, since I have 7 completely on this side of my face, then I'm gonna go over here with number 8 for the rest. I'm just gonna put it right next to this number 7. And we're gonna cover the rest of our face. Yeah, I believe number 7 is my shade. If you're a little more bright, like maybe like 2 shades lighter than me or whatever, I feel like number 7 would be your perfect shade. Because you see how it's given, like, I kind of look casket ready. This side, I don't even look like I have foundation on. So you want to look, because at first when I put a tiny bit, it disappeared into my face. But now that I have it all the way on, this is number 8 and this is number 7. Number 8 is definitely my shade. I'm glad they gave me enough in these sample containers, because now I have to take this back and go get number 8, because number 7 is not my shade. Yeah, so number 8 and number 7. All right, y'all, so this is number 8 and this is number 7. Number 7 is not my shade. When you wear a foundation, a tinted moisturizer, or some type of skin matching, I want to say skin matching, skin product, it should blend seamlessly. There's no line of demarcation between my neck and face, but there is on this side. And you don't ever want to put on foundation and look casket ready. Now, let's say you already have the foundation and you're already out and about, or the tinted moisturizer and you're already out and about, like you're on a trip and you're like, this shade don't match. Then you will put this on, put your concealer on, do some contouring and things like that to make it match your skin. And if you guys want a video on how to make a foundation or a tinted moisturizer or such like to match your skin when it doesn't, I can do that specific video if you like. Now what I'm gonna do, because I'm not washing this off, I'm gonna go ahead and take more of number 8 and cover number 7. So my whole face matches, and we're gonna see if that works. If that don't work, I'm gonna just wash it all off. All right, y'all, so I went ahead and wiped off number 7 because No, it was not trying to let me put number 8 over the top of it. Let's see. Lightweight hydration, sun protection, defends, brightens skin while reducing the look of pores. With a flexible tint for natural glowing coverage. Yes, it's lightweight. Yes, it's hydrating. I haven't worn it in the sun, so I can't attest to that. And it does brighten the skin while reducing the look of pores. So yeah, it's living up to its claims. It really is. Because this literally looks like skin. It looks like skin. Because as you can see, this side is naked now. And this side has the product on it. And I love how it gives that glow like it says. But it doesn't, it's not greasy. It does literally have like a natural shine. I've tried some of Fenty's complexion products. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Some of, am I putting on the wrong one? No, I'm not. I tried some of Fenty's complexion products and I really was not a big fan of them at all. But, and for my skin tone, it's typically pretty hard to find a, match in a tinted moisturizer. I'll go ahead and link my, I forget what brand it is. I believe it's Wet n Wild. Was the only tinted moisturizer I found that matched my skin. All right, boos. I could not let y'all go without showing you how well this pairs with the rest of my complexion products. Look at the face. Do you, boos, y'all see this? This tinted moisturizer is it. Like, comment, and subscribe. Keep up with me, Sheen Boo, all the time. Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, all of that. At Shine Like Sheen is where you can find me at. See you later. Go get the tinted moisturizer. Fenty for the win.